Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 5th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 25th of April, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.91. Now, let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time frame. The ETF has undergone natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 2.35%. This equates to an average return of 0.34% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund resides at the upper part of a wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a compelling selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $519.50 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline and may signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 12.26% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 26.33% to negative 12.01%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 7.34%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 4.76% to positive 18.49% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $493.31 and $613.76. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF, downgraded to hold accumulate. The VOO ETF price experienced a decline of approximately 0.522% on the last day, which was Monday, the 5th of May, 2025. This brought the price down from $520.71 to $517.99. Throughout the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.85%, with a low of $516.45 and a high of $520.84. The price has increased in 9 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 9.65% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, volume decreased on the last day alongside the ETF, which is considered a positive indicator, as volume tends to follow ETF trends. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 1 million shares with a total of 5 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.46 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price stands 8.14%, or $45.91, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments regarding the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF VOO indicate a notable shift in market sentiment. As of the 5th of May, 2025, the S&P 500 has ended a 9-day winning streak, closing down by 0.6%. This decline was linked to rising tariffs that have led to a significant decrease in shipping from China, raising concerns over trade dynamics that could impact corporate profits. In the short term, this market volatility may result in increased selling pressure on VOO as investors adjust their expectations ahead of the Federal Open Market Committee's upcoming interest rate decision. The sentiment was further affected by the announcement of sports icon Warren Buffett stepping down as CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, a move that created waves of uncertainty among investors. Despite this backdrop, the ISM Services PMI data, which surpassed expectations, suggests underlying economic strength and provides a potential counterbalance to the prevailing negative sentiment. A rebound, as shown by past performance, could help stabilize VOO in the longer term if strong economic indicators continue to emerge. Ultimately, while VOO may face short-term fluctuations amidst these ongoing factors, the long-term outlook will depend on the resilience of the U.S. economy and the possible easing of trade tensions, which historically support market recovery and positive movement in index-focused ETFs. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $511.97 and $503.07. A breakdown below either of these levels will generate sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and so far, it has declined by 0.522%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has also decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. A long-term moving average, sell signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $499.10. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $4.39 between its high and low, representing a change of 0.85%. In the last week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.46%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $529.39. If you do not own any shares, consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the downside, VOO meets its first support level at $499.10. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $497.80, reflecting a decrease of 3.9%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO presents several positive indicators. However, these are not sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider VOO as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have updated our recommendation for this ETF from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we anticipate that VOO will open higher by approximately 436 cents, with an initial trading price of $518.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.